Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice algebraic equations. So here we have x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 4 equals 120. I want to find all the values of x that satisfy this. So here, let's multiply x plus 1 with x plus 4. We have this as x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 4. And also we multiply x plus 3 with x plus 2, and this equals 120. Then, so by expanding this, we have x times x, that is x squared plus 4x plus x plus 4, and also we have x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 6 equals 120. Then, so this becomes x squared plus 5x plus 4. So in bracket, multiply by x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 120. Then here we have x squared plus 5x plus 4 multiplied by x squared plus 5x plus 4 plus 2 equals 120. So 4 plus 2 here equals 6. Then here, let's try and let x squared plus 5x plus 4, it will let it to be equals to another letter. Suppose I choose t. So we are going to let x squared plus 5x plus 4 equals t. Then we have to replace it, as we have t multiplied by t plus 2 equals 120. So then we open this parenthesis, t multiplied by t, that is t squared, plus t times 2, that is 2t. Then here is minus 120 equals 0. At this stage, we have a quadratic equations. We look for two values where the sum will be 2 and the product will be 120. And the two values here are, if you have this as t squared plus 12t minus 10t. 12t minus 10t, that is 2t, which is the sum, and 10 multiplied by minus 12. So 12 multiplied by minus 10, that is minus 120. And here is minus 120 equals 0. So when we try and pair this together, we have t into bracket of t plus 12. And also this, we take out 10. So we have minus 10 into bracket of t plus 12 equals 0. So we pair t and minus 10 because here is t plus 12, which is common. So we just take t with minus 10, then multiply by t plus 12. This equals 0. And by this, we are going to let t minus 10 equals 0. And we also let t plus 12 equals 0. But from the above, we have already let x squared plus 5x plus 4 equals t. Then by replacing it from the first one here, we are going to have x squared plus 5x plus 4 minus 10 equals 0. By solving this one, we have this as x squared plus 5x minus 6 equals 0. And this is a quadratic equations. So let's try and solve this. We can look for two values as the sum will be 5 and the product will be minus 6. So let's think of if this is x squared plus, if you say 6x minus x, so 6x minus x equals 5x, and 6 times 1, that is minus 6. So here we have minus 6 equals 0. Therefore, from here, we can pair this together. So when we pair this together, we have x into bracket of x plus 6. And here also, when we take out negative, we have x plus 6 equals 0. Then we can now find the root after we obtain the factors of these quadratic equations. So we have 1 here. Therefore, we are going to have x plus 6. Then we pair it with x minus 1 equals 0. And this is the factor of the quadratic above. Then we can let x plus 6 equals 0. Or we have x minus 1 equals 0. Therefore, by this, we can conclude that x equals minus 6. And also for this one, we have x equals 1. So we have gotten two roots. And let's see the other roots here. So when we recall from, when we have t plus 12 equals 0. And we also replace the value of t with x squared plus 5x plus 4. Then a is plus 12 equals 0. And looking at this, so here we have 12, and we cannot factorize this because if you say 4 plus 12, so this gives us 16, and we cannot factorize this. But before that, let's have x squared plus 5x plus 16 first, and this equals 0. So we are going to apply the quadratic formula for this. So we apply the quadratic formula to solve this expression. Here we are going to have a equals 1. We have b equals 5, and we have c equals 16. Therefore, we are going to have the quadratic formula x equals minus 5 plus or minus the square root of 5 squared minus 4 times 1 times 16 divided by 2 times 1. And after having this, so we try and expand this. So when we expand this, we have x equals minus 5 plus or minus the square root of 25 minus, so here is 4 times 6, and that gives us 64 divided by 2. Then when we take out minus 64 from 25, so we are getting negative here. Here we have minus 5 plus or minus, so the square root of, so we get square root of minus 9 divided by 2. And here is a complex root because our x here equals minus 5 plus or minus I root 39 divided by 2. And this is how we stop here, as we get 4 different answers, 2 complex and 2 real roots. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.